Good day, everyone. In this video, we will be tackling about what is marine environment, the major sources of marine pollution that affects human lives, the ecosystem, and the shipping industry, and lastly, the MARPOL Convention, its history, and its objectives, including the regulations in MARPOL Annexes 1 to 6. Shall we will start. The marine environment, to fresh water or seawater, to the lakes or to the high seas and oceans. The marine environment sustains life. The marine ecosystems support humans and animals alike. It is used as a mode of transportation, food supply, and water supply. The mar- and also the marine environment helps in supporting the atmosphere because it contributes to the water cycle. Mankind can be creators, but they can also be destroyers. We've been producing pollution since uh, the industrial age, and it also affects the marine environment, or as we say, the marine pollution. The main sources of marine pollution, firstly, from land-based sources, by products of industry, runoff from agricultural pesticides and herbicides, effluents discharged from urban areas, exploration and exploitation activities. It is also sad in the shipping and maritime industry that sometimes marine pollution can occur in this by collision, grounding or accidental discharge, operational discharges, tank washing, ballasting or deballasting, machinery, space, discharge, and docking. The effects of marine pollution greatly affects humans and animals alike. For example, it blankets the surface, interfering with the oxygen exchange between the sea and the atmosphere. Blankets the seabed, interfering with the growth of marine life. Elements are mostly toxic and can enter the food chain, including us humans. Oil may enter seawater, distilling inlets, and it may be deposited on tidal mudfloods, against with detrimental result, and it interferes with the recreational use of beaches. The International Convention for the Prevention of Pollution from Ships, 1973, as modified by the Protocol of 1978, or for short, MARPOL 73/78. It is one of the most important international marine environmental conventions, and it was developed by the International Maritime Organization with an objective to minimize pollution in the oceans and seas, including dumping, oil, and air pollution. The original MARPOL was signed on 17th of February 1973, but did not come into force at the signing date. The current convention is a combination of the 1973 convention and the 1978 protocol, which entered into force on 2nd of October 1983 As of January 2018, 156 states are parties to the convention, being flag states of 99.42% of the world's shipping tonnage. All ships flagged under countries that are signatories to MARPOL are subject to its requirements regardless of where they sail, and member nations are responsible for vessels registered under National Ship Registry. The objective of MARPOL 73/78 desires to achieve the complete elimination of international pollution of the environment by oil and other harmful substances, and to minimize accidental discharge. Currently, there are 7 annexes in the MARPOL 73/78 in preventing pollution, where the first annex is the prevention of pollution by oil and oily water. The second annex is the control of pollution by noxious liquid substances in bulk. The third annex, prevention of pollution by harmful substances carried by sea in packaged form. The fourth annex, pollution by sewage from ships, and Annex 5, pollution by garbage from ships, and the final annex, or the seventh, is the prevention of air pollution